This video was sponsored by Enhance, NeoWatt, ABRP, Elbilmek, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? We are at Elbilmek with Valdemar. We are not going to do a full Valdemar's garage today, but just a quick highlight maybe on one single topic, which is the Mercedes EQV motor.
Yeah, EQV motor has coolant leak. Thanks EV Clinic 1 year for helping me out with the first car. He showed some tricks how to see if the coolant is inside the motor and how to measure it. And for a super kit, what is called it?
The EV to Holy Grail. So what is this?
This is a full set of bearings and seals to refurbish electric motor for Mercedes EQV. So I think that most of them are handmade, we can say so.
Oh, they're not 3D printed, are they?
No, I think you won't find other places except EV Clinic. This is very special, not all of them, but most of them are very special dimensions and you won't find it other places. Like most of, not just electric vehicles producers, but most of vehicle manufacturers, they special order special dimensions of different bearings, so the owners of the cars, they won't be able to find and buy it like elsewhere except a dealership.
And 10 times the price, right?
Exactly.
I was just curious, how much did the whole set here cost?
If I'm not mistaken, it's 850 or something like this.
Kroner? Or euro?
No, euros.
Euro, okay. So,
of course, plus shipping. I think so. I'm not sure about. I think it's something about 850.
But okay, so why? What happened to this motor?
It's actually start leaking through the seal here. And
I can see some stuff.
Yeah, and the full of actually just the rotor should be cooled, but it happens now that all the motor is liquid cooled because of leak. Yeah, so the coolant is leaking down here. You can see that it's wet.
Huh? Wait, EQV is not that old.
Was it 2022?
Well, it's still in warranty, right?
No, it's not warranty because it's like import car.
Oh, yeah. You can see here some part if you want to see. Okay.
Yeah. So here we have 400 volts all the time, and because of moisture, the isolation is too low, and the car is sending different fault messages and refuse to drive and refuse to charge. Yeah. On the top we have inverter. If somebody is interesting. What's interesting here is that the gearbox is quite small for such a big vehicle.
Whoa!
Yeah.
It's a 3-ton beast.
Yeah.
Oh, it's ZF. Oh, quality stuff, right?
Yes, it is.
They use it on. Don't they make truck parts also?
Yeah, it can be. I'm not sure 100%. Yeah.
So now you guys are ready to. Just mount in the Holy Grail kit.
Yeah, what we need to do, we have to still split the drive unit from the gearbox. We have to send it to the company, which will wash and dry and prepare the stator for us to put all those bearings and seals back. Okay,
but are the windings still okay?
I think that the winding is still okay, but they can answer us after full washing, cleaning, and drying. In my opinion, they are okay, but it's not 100% sure.
Okay. Well, but did the customer come directly to you guys, or did they go to Mercedes first?
Let me see. If I'm not mistaken, it was at the dealership first. I got answer no, that it's not a warranty, and then started to look for alternatives.
Oh, great.
Yeah.
Well, at least it will be fixed one day. We can maybe see the result in a couple of weeks or
Yeah.
after påske,
Yeah.
with Easter.
After Easter, I think so. Yeah, yeah. We can test the car afterwards if we are lucky and you come at the right time here.
Okay, yeah, let's see. Well, yeah, interesting. So, hopefully it will be back on the road again, the EQV. I saw it parked outside.
Yeah, for sure it's gonna be back at the road. Just a question of time.
Yeah.
How many days or weeks?
Okay, anyway, the reason why it's so quiet now at the workshop is that there's lunch.
Yes.
Otherwise, it would be lots of noise because there's so many cars that needs to be repaired here for service.
Yeah. Yeah, we have to quick because we have just 5 minutes lunch pause.
No. Okay. But anyway, I think that's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.